In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts in Squarespace. Let's get started by heading over to the Squarespace website, which is where we'll be doing most of the work today. This guide is designed to help you easily and effectively integrate custom fonts into your website, so follow along closely. First, you'll want to navigate to the main Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button. It should be in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details. This will bring you to your Squarespace dashboard, which is the control center for all your website activities. Once you're in the dashboard, you should see a menu that includes a Websites option. This is where you'll be managing all the design elements of your site. Click on Websites to get started. If you're managing multiple websites, make sure to select the one where you want to add the custom fonts. Next, look for the Edit button. This will take you into the site editor. In the site editor, you can choose the specific page where you'd like the custom fonts to appear. Simply select a page from within your site that you wish to modify. Now, it's time to get into the coding part. Don't worry if you're not familiar with code. I'll guide you through it. In the page options, find and click on Custom Code. This section is where you'll input the necessary code to use your custom font. You might be asked to make sure that your current plan supports custom coding, as certain lower-tier plans might not have this feature. After opening the Custom Code section, switch over to Custom CSS. This is where you'll enter the specific style codes that will call your custom font and apply it to your text. You need to ensure that you have access to either the font file or a web link to the font you're going to use. Upload your font file, or if you're using a web-hosted font service like Google Fonts, copy the appropriate link. In the CSS editor, define your font using the @fontface rule, specifying the location of your font file or link. That code will look something like this. Us, @fontface, font family. Your font name, src, URL link to your font file. Once you've input your custom font details, apply your font to specific elements using the font family property in your CSS. For instance, ECAS H1, font family. Your font name, sans serif. By doing this, you're telling Squarespace to use your custom font for all text under the H1 tag. Finally, save your changes and preview your website. Check to see if your font has been successfully applied as expected. And that's it. You've just added a custom font to your Squarespace site. It can really give your site a more personalized touch and make your content stand out.